Renting a property should be a straightforward agreement between two parties, the tenant and the landlord. But sometimes, this relationship can become complicated and tense. In worst-case scenarios, it may involve harassment. Today, we're going to discuss what tenant harassment looks like and what you can do if you're facing it. The Oxford English Dictionary defines harassment as aggressive pressure or intimidation. In the context of tenant law, harassment occurs when a landlord uses prohibited activities to force a tenant to vacate a property without just cause. These activities can include stealing personal property, engaging in extortion, or using threatening behavior that creates fear and disrupts a tenant's peaceful use of the property. Also, harassment based on a protected class or sexual harassment by a landlord is strictly prohibited. Tenant harassment in practice. Let's look at some examples. Andrew asked his property manager to replace a cracked window frame. The manager, without prior notice, took a photo of Andrew dressing through the window and made inappropriate comments. This could be considered an abuse of landlord's rights and sexual harassment. Next, Leah was threatened with reporting to immigration authorities by her property manager when she was collecting signatures for a rent reduction petition. This is also a form of tenant harassment and discrimination. Joan and Sarah were neglected by their landlord, who delayed their maintenance requests because he believed they were paying too little rent. In San Francisco, this would be considered tenant harassment under local laws. Though this may not be the case in every city, what can you do? If you experience such incidents, document them in writing, much like you would do with uninhabitable conditions. Request the behavior to stop or ask the person in charge to investigate and correct the situation. If you found this information useful, please like this video and subscribe to our channel.